Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Off Campus. In this video we are going to see in engineering mathematics. In engineering mathematics we are going to discuss about under the topic of differential equation. This is the continuation of our previous videos. Previously we have posted videos regarding differential equation and solved many problems, and if you haven't seen those videos still, kindly check with the playlist. Before going into the video, kindly subscribe our channel Off Campus and click on the bell icon. You will receive notifications. So let's go into the video. Homogeneous differential equation. In this video, we are going to discuss about the type of first order and first degree types. Before we have discussed about variable separable method. In this video, we are going to discuss about homogeneous differential equation. What is homogeneous differential equation? Differential equations of form dy by dx equal to f1 of x comma y function of x comma y divided by function of x comma y. This is a same degree or first order and degree where f1 f2 are homogeneous functions of same degree. If f1 and f2 are functions of same degree are called homogeneous differential equations. To solve these equations, we can take few substitution. What is that? Put y equal to vx, so that differentiate with respect to x, what will we get? Dy by dx equal to, this is of uv formula, uv formula, differentiation of uv, v plus x dv by dx. In case x equal to, if we put x equal to vy, differentiate with respect to y in this equation, what we get? Dx by dy equal to v plus y dv by dy. Then what we need to do? If we need to solve the differential equation in the form of this type homogeneous differential equation, first we need to substitute y equal to x, vx or x equal to vy, depends on the according to the problem. Then what we have to do? Separate variable means dx in one form and dy in another side, on the another side, and integrate on both sides. We have to integrate on the both sides. Then in final, don't forget to replace v2 y by x or v2 here x by y. In case we are substituting y equal to vx means finally the solution will be in the form of in terms of v. So don't leave the solution as it is in terms of v. We should replace v2 y by x. In case of x equal to vy, we need to substitute v equal to x by y to get the solutions in terms of x and y. So what we need to do first, in case of homogeneous functions of same degree, we need to solve these equations by using the substitutions and differentiate with respect to x and y depend according to the situation or according to the problem. Then we need to separate the variable and integrate on both sides. Finally replace the v term into corresponding x and y term. So we will solve problems in this type and we have an idea. So what is the first problem? X squared minus y squared into dx minus xy dy equal to 0. What is that? X squared minus y squared into dx minus xy dy equal to 0. So we will solve x squared in one side, x squared minus y squared into dx equal to xy dy. So this go to that side. Then what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is nothing but dy by dx equal to, so x squared, this go to that side, and x squared minus y squared divided by xy. So we have dy by dx equal to x squared minus y squared divided by xy. So now we have to put y equal to vx. If y equal to vs, differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx equal to nothing but v plus x dv by dx. What is that? Dv by dx. Then substitute in this formula in place of dy by dx, substitute these, this is, let it is 1 and it is 2 and it is 3. Then by comparing 2 and 3, what we will get? V plus x dv by dx equal to this term x squared minus y squared divided by xy. So in place of y substitute by vx. So x squared minus v squared x squared divided by x into vx. X into vx is nothing but in place of y x into vx, vx squared na. So vx squared. So what we will get by simplifying? V plus x dv by dx equal to x squared in common. Here see x squared in common, numerator and denominator, 1 minus v squared divided by v, right? X squared v or vx. Cancel this x squared term in both numerator and denominator. What we get? V plus x dv by dx equal to 1 minus v squared divided by v. So this v go to that side, v plus x dv by dx equal to 1 minus v squared by v minus v, right? Taking LCM, what we will get? X dv by dx equal to 1 minus v squared, v into v, taking LCM 1 minus v squared divided by v, nothing but 1 minus 2v squared divided by v, right? 1 minus 2v squared divided by v. So now we are going to separate the x variable, x on one side and v on another side. So this is the second step. Separating the variables is nothing but so what is that? V divided by 1 minus 2v squared into dv equal to dx by x. See, by separating what we will get? V, I am writing here, x, I am writing the same step here. So now we are going to separating the v on one side and x on another side. So this go to that side, v divided by 1 minus 2v squared into dv equal to x by dx become dx by x. Now what we need to do? Integrating on both sides. By integrating on both sides, what we will get? See here, 1 minus, so v divided by 1 minus 2v square dv integrating dx by x plus some constant c. When we integrating, we need to add some constant as c. So here dx by x is nothing, we know log x. Here something divided by x, 1 minus 2v squared. In case of the denominator, differentiation of this denominator term is in the numerator, then we can substitute as log of 1 minus 2v squared. But by differentiating this denominator, what we get? This is a simple log integration logic. So by differentiating this, what we get? Minus 4v now, but here 1 minus simply 4v only. So we need to, simply v only here, minus 4v we need. So we need to divide by minus 1 by 4, divided by minus 1 by 4 into log of this term 1 minus 2v squared equal to log x plus c. Okay, this is the simple integration technique, okay, logic or technique. Again, what we need to do? Minus log of 1 minus 2v squared equal to 4 log x plus 4c. These 4 go to that side, right? Next, what we need to do? Minus, so this go to that side, okay, minus 4 log x plus log of 1 minus 2v squared equal to 4, this go to that side now, equal to minus 4c, right? So what we get? 4 log x equal to 4 log x plus log of 1 minus t square b squared equal to minus 4c. We can write it as, it is like log a power b is nothing but log a power, logarithmic form, log a power b is b log a. So it is 4 log x can be written like this, right? Log x power 4 into log of 1 minus 2v squared equal to minus 4c. So what we get by taking anti-logarithm, this will get as x plus 4 minus 1 minus 2v squared equal to e power minus 4c. By taking antilog, we will get as e power minus 4c. Then what we need to do, don't forget to substitute for y equal to vx. So y equal to vx means what is v here? V equal to y by x. Substitute this here. 1 minus v by x, v equal to y by x is nothing but y squared by x squared equal to e power minus 4c. So what is that next? By okay, I can do one thing also. Log a plus log b is nothing but log a log b. So log a log b. Okay. Here also this becomes multiplication. Log a plus log b is nothing but log ab. Logarithmic of ab. Right. We can take like this. So we can do two substitution here. Log a power b is nothing but b log a. Again logarithmic of a, log a plus log b equal to log of ab, a into b. So logarithmic of x power 4 into 1 minus 2v squared equal to minus 4c. So this is the multiplication. So when we multiply inside, what we will get? X power 4 minus 2y squared x power 4 divided by x squared equal to e power minus 4c. Again, can we substitute as 4, this is as e power minus 4c, this is a constant only, no? Okay, can be, let it be k, e power minus 4c as some constant k, then x squared and this x squared get cancelled. Then what we will get? 1 minus x power 4 minus 2y squared x squared equal to some constant k, or otherwise taking again this x here x square term, by simplifying x square common, x square minus 2y squared, right, 2x power 4 equal to 1 minus 2v squared, again x power 4 I am checking here, minus 2y squared by x squared in place of, okay, v is equal to y by x, okay. Then again multiplying this x power 4 minus 2 x power 4, what we will get? X squared, right? X squared in common. By taking x squared as common, what we will get? X squared, remaining x squared minus 2y squared equal to constant k. So this is the solution for this problem. So we can simplify according to the option given in the exam. We can simplify further. I'll stop up to this. Then we move on to the next problem. What is that? E power x plus x by y plus 1 into dx equal to e power x by y into 1 minus x by y into dy equal to 0. So this is a check. We need to simplify this. Let's see, e power x by y plus 1 into dx equal to minus of e power x by y into 1 minus x by y into dy. Dx by dy. What is that? Dx by dy can be, this go to that side na, e minus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y divided by e power x by y plus 1. This is a homogeneous equation. When in case of dx by y, we need to put x equal to vy. x equal to vy, then what is dx by dy by differentiating with respect to y? What we will get? v plus y dv by dy, right? dv plus y dv by dy. Again, this is substituting in this equation. What we will get? v plus y into dv by dy equal to in place of x substitute vy. So, e power minus vy divided by y into 1 minus vy divided by y divided by, don't forget this minus sign, again e power vy by y plus 1, right? So, this y get cancelled. So, v plus y dv by dy equal to e power minus v, sorry this minus sign, e power minus v into 1 minus v divided by e power v plus 1, right? All this y all get cancelled in all the places. Then what we will get? E minus e power minus v into 1 minus v divided by e power v plus 1. Then what is this? We go to that side, y dv by dy equal to minus e power minus v into 1 minus v divided by v plus 1 minus v. Sorry, I made a mistake, really sorry. E power v plus 1. Here e power v plus 1. Here also e power v plus 1. Here also e power in exponential term, e power v plus 1. Here also e power v plus 1. This, sorry, in this simplification I made a mistake, I think somewhere. Oh, okay. Minus e power plus vx plus x by 1 only. Instead of my plus I put as minus. So, now we eliminate this minus, taking in the numerator part. By simplification, what we will get? E power v outside minus 1 plus v minus v plus v here, v in the outside. So, this v get cancelled. What will be in the numerator? Minus of, minus taking minus outside, minus e power v plus v, minus e power v plus v or minus v plus ev, same here in the numerator 1 plus ev plus 1 or 1 plus ev. So, this is the simplification. Again, now we are going to separate v on one side and y and other side. By separating both the term, what we will get? Minus this go to that side, y by dy go to that side, what we will get? Minus dy by y, minus dy by y, this go to that side and this will come to this side, 1 plus ev, 1 plus e power v divided by v plus e power v into dv. By separating these two variables, we can get this function minus dy by y equal to 1 plus e power v divided by v plus e power v dv. So, by integrating on both sides, what we will get? Minus dy by y is nothing but minus log y. Again, integrating this term, when we substituting dx by x dv by v equal to log v, when we check for the numerator, if it is the, if in the numerator term will be the differentiation of this denominator term, we can write it as log of this term. Can we check? By checking, by differentiating this term, what we will get? 1 plus ev. So, 1 plus ev in the numerator. So, we can write it as log of v plus ev plus some constant c. Right. Next, this will go to that side, log v plus e power v plus log y plus log y. This constant will come as minus c. Okay. Then what we will get? Log of log a plus log b. So, logarithmic of AB. So y plus e power v into y equal to minus c. By taking anti-logarithm, what we will get? E power v plus e power v into y equal to e power minus c, right? Let it is also a constant, let it is a k. Say it is a k constant k, say k equal to e power minus c. We will get the sum term. By integrating on both sides we can derive one solution, and don't forget to substitute for v equal to, what is this? X equal to vy. Then v is nothing but x by y. Substitute v into v to x by y and to e power x by y, the whole in multiplication by y equal to k. Again by substituting what we will get? Y into x, multiplying y by y inside, x plus e power x by y into y, x plus y into y e power x by y equal to k. So this is the solution for this problem. In this problem, by sorry for the confusion guys, I put it as a minus here, so the answer is little bit confusing when we simplifying. So this is the solution for this problem. We'll move on to the next problem. What is that? We'll see. X tan y by x equal to y by x minus y secant squared y by x equal to into dx minus x secant squared y by x dy equal to 0. So by splitting the dx one side and dy one side, so here x tan y by x minus y secant squared y by x into dx equal to x secant squared y by x into dy. So dy by dx, what we will get? Dy by dx is nothing but x tan y by x minus y secant squared y by x divided by this term x secant squared y by x. So by dividing this term in numerator, what will get? X by x get cancelled, tan y by x. So this term 1 by secant squared is nothing but cos squared. So we can write it as into y by x secant squared y by x. So what by dividing by x only, so x by x can get cancelled, tan y by x minus y by x secant squared y by x divided by secant squared y by x. So in denominator 1 by secant squared x is nothing but cos squared y by x. So this is the dy by dx term. This is the dy by dx term. Next what we need to do? We need to substitution with put one substitution. What is that? Y equal to vx, so that dy by dx is nothing but v plus x dv by dx, right? So by putting in this equation, so v plus x dv by dx equal to, in place of y substitute vx, tan vx tan vx by x minus vx by x into secant squared vx by x the whole cos squared vx by x, right? So by cancelling all the x terms, what we will get? V plus x dv by dx is nothing but equal to tan v minus v secant squared v into cos squared v, right? Guys, in this question it is not minus, here this is plus, okay? If it is plus, what will happen? This whole minus sign here, so this is minus and this is plus, the sign only getting changed. minus plus, right? Here also minus tan plus secant squared. Here also minus tan b plus b secant squared b. Here here see, up to this we solve. Now see, minus tan v plus b secant squared b. By multiplying inside, what we will get? Minus tan v cos squared v. See here, secant squared v, cos squared v are reciprocal to each other. So this and this will get cancelled. So v plus x dv by dx, right, equal to, in RHS side, this and this will get cancelled, v minus tan v, right. So v plus x dv by dx equal to v minus tan v. So this v and this v get cancelled, right. Tan v into secant squared v, cos squared v, right. V plus x d by dx, these and these get cancelled when we multiplying, then minus tan v cos squared v. Here now what is x dv by dx equal to minus tan v cos squared v. So this one. Now we are going to separate the v on one side and x on another side. What we will get? Minus, keep the minus sign there itself. So 1 by tan v secant squared v, cos squared, I am saying again and again as secant squared, 1 by tan v cos squared v into dv, this minus dx by x. Now integrating on both sides. So before integrating, 1 by cos squared v is nothing but secant squared v, right, secant squared v by tan v dv, again minus dx by x. So by integrating, what we will get? See, integrating on both sides, what we will get? When we substitute by log tan v, what we need to do? If the differentiation of the denominator term is in the numerator, then we can set it as log of tan v. See, tan f, what is the differentiation of tan f? Is nothing but secant squared f. So secant squared v. So secant squared v in the numerator. So can we write it as log tan v? Here also minus log x, right? Log of tan v minus log x plus c. So what we will get? Log of, I am writing here, or I will write here, log of tan v is equal to minus log x plus c. So what we will get? Log of tan v minus log x plus c. How can we write? Log of tan v plus log x, right? Log of tan v, logarithmic function of tan v plus log x equal to c. Then log a plus log b is nothing but log of a plus b, tan v into x, tan vx equal to some function. By taking anti-logarithm, what we will get? X tan v equal to some function, right? I am using different, x tan v or tan vx, x into tan v equal to some function k. When we taking anti-log, e power c. So e power c also some constant, it is a constant k, x tan v as k. Now substituting v equal to y by x, substituting v equal to y by x, what we will get? X into tan function of y by x equal to k, x into tan function of y by x into k. So this is the solution for this problem. In this problem, substitute here minus, not minus, it is a plus sign. So by changing this sign, by simplifying these all, we are getting x tan y by x equal to k as a solution. This is the example for homogeneous differential equation. We have solved 3 problems in that. So before, kindly subscribe our channel Off Campus and click on the bell icon. You will receive notifications. Thanks for watching.